Want 5 extra hours in your week? Today I'm showing 3 AI tools that will literally do the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive in. Tool number 1. Otter.ai Transcriptions. First up, Otter.ai automatically transcribes meetings, notes, and interviews in seconds. No more typing or writing. Watch how it works. Tool number 2. Notion AI Task Management. Next, Notion AI, plan your day, brainstorm, and summarize notes in one app. It even drafts your content. Tool number 3, Grammarly AI Writing. Finally, Grammarly AI, not just grammar correction. It improves clarity, tone, and conciseness. Save time writing emails or posts. Try these 3 tools today and watch your productivity skyrocket. Which one will you start with? Comment below. If you want a full video on any specific AI I mentioned, comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, Habits Hub.